Men market in Onitsha. It is the men in the market there that manufacture the English people that went to school use. They force you to use the English they speak. You join the men market, see a lebe, I'm looking for somebody. I said, okay, come on, I said, either he went in there or there. I said, neither no. Meaning, the boy are all gap on the ever, or put it on the ever. And the case of me, a boy and me here, so okay, before you mama. So, but I was saying, no, boy, I should do you, but not about the correct thing. It's all this words I'm trying. The child picks it up and begins to speak that way. We are destroying Igbo land. We are destroying ourselves. I'm saying it. You cannot eat 2 plates at a time. You cannot wear 2 clothes at a time. You cannot sleep in 2 beds at a time, 2 beds at a time. You can't. You cannot be in 2 cars at the same time. If you own 5 cars, the 4 will be there, packed, waiting. You use only 1. And whatever you do, remember you will die. When you die, what will happen to those people that are still left there? If you have ruined them, it will become very difficult to leave for them to leave. You have money, your child does not suffer. How is your child going to know the value of money? It's not going to know. Once you die, they'll sell all your property and enjoy themselves. Before long, they become poor. So I'm warning you. We are institutionalizing what is wrong, and we will pay a price for it, frankly speaking. Married women, when they come to school to pick up their children, come hang us you, have an ask the kid. You might ask the kid, get us. So I don't want you speak Igbo to your child. No, not even, you go in. Or not talking in a class. Yeah, well, come on, I said, baby, have you eat? Have you eat your food? Have you eat? Maybe they just slept. Yeah, but I'm going to school. So I you go. Have to make sure some education so what magic beke. So I you go. Can I do? I'm going to program my email by so we have asked go their last. Oh, India, I do go back. Oh, just couldn't do with you, but I get it. Now, leave. A criminal act. But I got you. Everybody know. My boy, do you know me? Before air conditioner is blowing, wrong. British English. The air conditioner is on. That's what it should be. It's on. Don't worry about the blowing. It has to have been on before it can blow. On the jet, on the AC. That's bad English. You don't on them. You switch them on. We'll get to that anyway, you see it here. The next number, we're singing. Can you see ha? What's that your name again? What's that your name again? That's bad English. Go straight. What's your name again? One. Or what's that name of yours again? That's British English in this book. Let me explain. Determinants. What about determinants? Determinants are words that signal or they herald the coming of a noun. Igbo my, what's my, my, whatever must come must be a noun. So it determines what must come next. That's what's called determinant. Something that determines what must come next is a determinant. Determinants like my, our, your, his, her, whatever it is. Those things, you cannot use them with this, that, those, these. This your phone is fine. No! Don't use this and you at the same time. Give me that your phone. Don't use that and you at the same time. What's that your name again? Don't use that and you at the same time. What's your name again? Correct. What's that your name again? Bad English. What's that name of yours again? Correct. That's my point. What's your name? What's that your name? That's your. No. What's your name? What's that name of yours again? Now this my phone is disturbing me. No, my phone is disturbing me. 2, this phone of mine is disturbing me. Give me that your bag. Give me that bag of yours, or give me your bag. So don't ever say, no, that her brother, that their sister. That's stupid English. We must save our kids and boys and girls from this terrible speech. Okay, look at the next one there. You go to the determinants. These are words that signal the coming of nouns. That is, once a determinant is used, what must follow is a noun. We have 3 types of determinants: articles, a, and, demonstratives, this, that, these, those, possessives or genitives, mine, our, your, their, his, her. The rule is that these three groups cannot be used together or side by side. So if you say, what's that your name again? That and your have been used together and side by side, and therefore wrong. The next number. Nigerian English. This your phone is fine. Bad English. British English. Your phone is fine. 1. Or this phone of yours is fine. Finito. Next. Naidiu. I have an idea. Boy, you're too much. That's bad English. You did well. You did well. You did well. You're too much. You did well. Try. Once he said they tried, bad English. When the try, he failed. We did well, correct. We excelled, correct. We succeeded, correct. But this rapper, we tried, meaning because once you say I tried, it means I did not succeed. I'm trying. I have not succeeded yet. I will try. If I succeed, if I don't succeed, the next number. Nigerian English is saying, joking apart. No, joke apart. Joke apart. The British thing about joking apart. So this is joke apart, or what ing. And this is joking apart, ing. The ing means it is British English. Joke apart, Nigerian English. And wrong. Go do again. Because of what you don't tell a white man with Igbo. You don't tell a white man with Igbo. No. You don't need to be told. 1. You need not be told. 3 or 2 or 3. It's a fact. 4. I'm serious. Because we say, what you don't know is older than you. What you don't know is older than you. British English. What you don't know is your elder. What you don't know, you should strive to know. What you don't know, you should strive to know. Or don't get involved in something you can't do. Something you don't know well, don't get involved in it. Okay. Next. I was thinking, I'm not plugging a phone when it is. I'm not plugging a phone when it is. I was calling you, but it wasn't going. Okay, Menu. Is it going? I was calling you, but your number is not going. The man was not going. Or he's not going. You see, I was calling you, but your number was. I was calling your number was is. Correct to go in car. I guess I'm going. Phone no longer. On a GJ. You don't need to personify it. Because I was calling you, but it wouldn't connect. It wouldn't what? Connect. I wasn't connecting. That's it. But it didn't go through. If you want to use go through. But I prefer you say connect. Or you see, I was trying to raise you. Another can they be British English there about? Okay, up here about British English. I tried to raise you, but to no avail. I tried to raise you to no avail. That's one. Or I tried your line, but it did not connect. I'll go through. That's it. It is a text. It's a full textbook. You can say go again, Paul. You got Okenwa good near pure water. It's another child. Because of us, God dear to another Jesus. Ha! The beggar said, hey, man! What you want to do? When you go, you buy it. We go to Nigeria. It's not my language. About my language. Language, like Gagarin. Only Igbo could know what they would have. English is not a language. Can the Igbo man speak his language well? No! That's the answer. The Igbo man cannot speak his language well. So, how can you buy I wouldn't Igbo? A massive by will let us. You will not see United Nations. That is a UNESCO, a body of the United Nations, say Igbo language may die or become extinct by the year 2050. Has it gone? Huh? Olala. Can I find you to Nibu up with Bama? It's just him by a Kamara Hamra, and the goddess Amoy. Ursuhana, so I did that. The guy will show you Ibrahim, and what can you with it? Go ahead. Go ahead. Let us say, oh, you want to talk and dig down or talk. And people don't say, why are you bad? But I'm very good. I'm a young engineer in a sigo, that's what I'm not so capital, not so capital. It's a more Okenwa, and I'm a student. When I'm a kid, I go English. I'm a graduate of English from a reputable university. But I'm the man of Tramation. I'm the man who is house, how we have to last a kid. Ash. Everybody become our chief on the man. Because of us, it's so boss. God you to another Jesus. Nigerian English is saying, amen. Wrong. British English is saying, amen. Amen. Correct. American English is saying, amen. Correct. So, amen. American. Amen. British. Amen. Nigeria. Then come. It will know. That's the next number. It will know you are just a goat. I will hear you are a fool. Or the meaning of it will know. It will know you are a fool. It will not turn. You are a fool. The next number we see. In Kai on my phone, I become safe. Or to the Sassuara of Igbo. Then look at Nigerian English. This one you are calling me today. Am I safe? This one really. This one you are calling me today. Am I safe? Am I safe? They would even say safe. S-A-F-E. Or safe. And I want to buy a second car because I'm a safe journey. God has better. You would Johnny here today. Can use the music. Good Lord, get around. God has better. Safe journey. No good again. Make it no good. Make it no good again. Just park your